Hey everyone, Jake and I are out fishing this evening.
Hi!
On a cold night in Canberra, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jakey's just caught a carp. I have no idea if we actually pressed the buttons correctly on the GoPro, but we don't know whether we recorded or not, so here he is. Not bad, probably about a 45-50 centimetre carp. Just on bread, so hopefully there's a few more around. Well, we've got a little bit of a bite window going on. As usual, what we're doing, we've got little bits of bread on here. Smashed down, mashed up. Straight on the hook. And we hope that the carp turn up. We've got a little bit of a bite window going on at the moment.
Daddy, I love you.
So hopefully we can get some. Got a little one.
What that? Oh man.
Oh no, you got one. You got one too. Quick, we've got a double hooker.
Coming.
Better hurry.
Coming.
Hold on, no, come close. Jackie, walk forward. lucky. How good is this? No, you stand there, be careful, you fall, you'll trip. Just stand there and reel. No, stand there and reel. And keep reeling, because I didn't get caught on the sand. Whoa, this is a good guy. Yep. Can you go that way slowly and get the net and throw it to Dad? No, come closer, come closer. Yep, good boy. Good boy. Okay, you keep reeling yours, don't forget about your fish. Uh-oh, he's caught up the sand, that's what I said. Come closer to the water. Come close to the water. Is he still there? Yeah. He's still there? Whoa, he's a big guy. Now come close to Dad again. But keep reeling and keeping the rod high. Nice and high. Nice and high. Nice and high. Got him. Whoa! Look at him! He's a piggy! Is he? Alright, I'm ready for your... Oh, yuck! Mud everywhere on me. Oh! Okay, keep going. You keep doing your one. Oh. Keep going. You got him? Good fighting, good fighting. Keep it in front of you, buddy, in front of you.
I have to go like this so I can keep it steady.
Oh my gosh. I've got the net. I'm ready. Now go down closer to the water. Let me tighten your drag just a tiny bit. Oh, good job. Hold on, stop. Okay, keep reeling. Oh my gosh. Now be careful of the wood behind you. My goodness.
Oh, my line's tangled.
Oh no. Oh no! Oh no, you released them. Oh my gosh. Okay, Dad's fixing it. Uh-oh.
That's alright.
We got a little bit of a bird's nest.
That's alright.
Alright, you got it? Hold on, there you go. Hold it up here. That's it. Good job. Keep on reeling. You got him. Hold it up high.
See?
Don't pull too hard, you'll break it, okay? The line will break. Just gentle. He's coming. We've caught two together. Crazy. Two fish together. Daddy and Jakey both got one. All right, you keep bringing him. Keep bringing him close. There he is. Whoa. Okay, the net's ready for him. Keep coming. Whoop, he doesn't like the look of the net. Got him. I got him. Good job, buddy. Okay, walk this way. Whoa. Look at the size of him.
Mine's bigger than you.
Can you, hold on. Can you get, be careful, you're going to snap the line. Whoa. Just as it's getting dark, so the camera's not going to capture it very well. Look at the size of that one. All right, Jakey's just going to get his fish. The lip gripper. Good job. Okay, carry him up there. Can you carry him? Up with the other one?
I'll slide it.
Yep. Good boy. Stuff. Okay, now can you get the bigger one?
Okay.
Look at that guy.
He's much more bigger than mine.
He's a big bugger.
Yeah, he is.
We caught two at the same time.
Keep an eye on the two others.
Yep. Good job. All right, he's a big guy. He's almost as heavy as you.
He scared me.
Oh. Oh. All right, lie him there, and then we're gonna
Can I
put them out of their misery.
I can carry him.
Whoa.
Oh, I can.
My gosh. All right, put him down there, and we'll put them out of their misery. Good job, buddy. 3 carp in about 10 minutes, and hopefully more to come. What'd you say?
He's a big bugger, mate.
Oh. Well, this has been some 10 minutes. Well, down at Lake Ginninderra, and we've caught 3 nice fat carp in about 10 minutes, and we had a double hookup. And I don't think anybody's going to see any of it because the lighting's no good. Well, that was a mad short session. What do we have? In about 10 minutes we had 3 nice carp. Here they are over here.
Hey, Matt.
The biggest is probably, and there's Mr. Ricala. Thank you, Jake. The biggest is probably, I reckon, around 60 or 70. The others are probably, yeah, 50-ish. Good times. Lighting terrible, but good times.